What if I told you that creating professional videos no longer requires expensive software or years of editing skills? With Kaiber AI, anyone can upload a single image or idea and instantly transform it into a cinematic video. Imagine turning a sketch, a selfie, or even abstract art into fluid, living visuals. That's the power of Kaiber. And today, I'll show you how it works and how you can make real money with it. Kaiber is designed for simplicity. You upload your content, choose a style, whether realistic, anime, cinematic, or surreal, and the AI generates a unique moving sequence in seconds. Musicians use it to animate their album covers. Creators design intros for YouTube. And even small businesses are making eye-catching ads without hiring editors. All it takes is imagination and a few clicks. Here's where things get exciting. Kaiber doesn't just help you create, it helps you earn. Through its affiliate program, you can share your unique link and get paid each time someone signs up. Imagine building passive income while simply showing others the tool you're already using. And if you want to speed things up, offer Kaiber-powered video services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even TikTok. People will gladly pay for stunning custom AI videos that they can't make on their own. Promoting your affiliate link is easier than it sounds. Make short tutorials on TikTok or YouTube Shorts showing before and after transformations with Kaiber. Share reels on Instagram where a still photo bursts into motion. Or post threads on X explaining how AI is changing video creation. Each time, include your affiliate link in the description or bio and watch as clicks turn into commissions. AI isn't just the future, it's already here. And with Kaiber, you're not just creating videos, you're creating opportunities. If you're curious to try it yourself, my affiliate link is waiting for you in the description. Explore, experiment, and maybe this could be your first step toward a brand new income stream.